Morning, and this is David from Cheshire Cars based in Crewe, your 5-star review dealer, established in 1996 and offering free delivery since 2011, competitive car finance and fair part exchange, and the finance and the part exchange can both be arranged online, no need to come and see us. And also we have on the website a reserve feature, so you can reserve the car simply by clicking onto the button. As I say, we've been delivering cars for almost a decade, and we've also been established for almost a quarter of a century, goodness me, 25 years next year. So we are rightly proud of our heritage, and we continue to strive and push forward in the modern digital age. This car is a 2017 Hyundai i20 5-door in the beautiful ice coffee metallic paint finish. It's simply had one local owner. It's been supplied by the Hyundai dealer in the Potteries, and it's been serviced by them as well. It has the outstanding 5 years warranty until March 2022, and she drives absolutely superb. 13,800 and I think 98 miles, absolutely guaranteed, packed full of features. It's the i20 SE Premium navigation model, so it's pretty much got everything. It's top of the range. Some of the features: front and rear park assist, rear reverse camera, full glass double panoramic sunroof which opens as well. It's on a 17 DV17 YDA, nice LED lights. Everything's on this i20 now. It's really upmarket, how it looks, how it sits, how it feels. We've done some fantastic work over the last 2 decades in developing the range of vehicles, Hyundai, and they can rightly stand by the product for 5 years, so that is got to be good news for any used car buyer. We are open 7 days a week. We just ask that you ring, especially at the moment, just so we can arrange a booking viewing for you. We have been arranging delivery for people in the UK, so if you wish, we can simply and effectively deliver the car to your home. Contactless payment will be by bank transfer, as always. We don't insist on payment beforehand, just a small deposit of £250, and then the balance upon collection or delivery in this case. A beautiful car. It's odour free, no odours inside the car. It has obviously the touchscreen media for navigation, Bluetooth. It does have cruise and speed limiter. It's a 5-speed gearbox, 1200 engine. Also has privacy glass on the rear windows. Has a double boot floor. And what else can I tell you? Yes, it has heated seats and a heated steering wheel, and also the wing mirrors are electrically folding. You can do it manually on the driver's panel, or when you lock the car, they will automatically fold inwards. So a useful feature, and something that's a few £300 option on the premium cars. You get standard on this car, although it is, as I've mentioned, the top of the range. You've also got lane departure. I don't know if the video will show you. Here is the sensor for that, and that's the roof with the glass panels. I think I've mentioned that before, haven't I? So that's a double roof. You get the benefit, rear and front seat passengers, of having the roof. Just at the moment we have it opened. There's a blind that comes across, and the roof actually physically opens up and over, so the front panel will open over the rear panel. Parking sensors, of course, I've mentioned those as well. That's your reverse camera. Double boot floor, split seats. We've also pioneered what you're watching now, live, well, not live, but a review video which we host by the car or on our YouTube channel. We have over 700 subscribers, which we're very, very pleased about. That means that all those 700 subscribers get to see the content as we release it. We don't just do car reviews, we do good practices as well, and how to stay safe, how to pair phones to cars, what to look for when you're looking for a car, how to change your private registration number over. So it's a proper informative channel with hopefully lots of content, and we've just recently passed 550,000 views on the content, and that's been going now from November 2013. So we're well ahead of the game. What car you see in the video will be the car that we deliver to you. So exactly the car you're seeing here will be the car that we deliver, and or come and collect it from us here in Crewe in Cheshire. We host all our reviews through Google, Facebook and Auto Trader. They're getting on for 200 reviews now, so obviously you can't read them all, but have a read of some of those and just see what our clients are saying about us. And we also buy cars, so we buy cars straight without selling you a car. So if you've got maybe a friend or a relative who's coming to the end of a lease or PCP and they're unsure as to whether the dealer's given them a good deal, by all means reach out to us here. We have our own online platform, which is www.webuyyourcar365.co.uk, and that's our own buying website. There is a form on there that you can fill out. It takes about 3 minutes, and send the email to me and we'll personally tailor a price to the vehicle. So this is 13,898 miles, or what's correct. That's the mileage. This is some of the controls here, the voice activation for Bluetooth, cruise and speed limiter on this side, adjustable steering wheel. It's very bright. Let's try the radio, it's a little bit darker. So you got the idea that was the full-size screen for the navigation, and that's the screen for the radio, which just doesn't glare back at the lens so much. Down here you have the climate control if you wish air conditioning just there. Heated seats, 3-stage heating for front seats, driver and passenger, heated steering wheel, and you'll never want another car without a heated steering wheel. That's the only downside to having a car like this. So when you come round to changing the car, what do you change it for? There's so many features on it. 5-speed gearbox, robust, reverse is simple, cross and then back towards you. There is your on-off for the parking sensors, you can override them. Very economical, very smooth. In fact, I was surprised just how, I've had obviously Kias and Hyundais, but I was surprised at just how light the pedals are. They seem to be getting lighter and lighter. We do have all the book packs. There you go, that's the handbooks, instructions, service book, it's all present. And this is a car that we bought straight from the owners. They've owned it from brand new, local couple from the Stoke-on-Trent area. So I'm not sure how long it will last on our site. It was already, without the images and video, it's been the most watched car in the last 3 or 4 days. So if you are interested, I seriously recommend you show your interest by making an appointment or by leaving a deposit or reserving it online, because I don't think once the video and the images go, it will be around for much longer. USB and AUX, and there's also a 12-volt power socket there for charging phones and such like. Do also get a small area for storage just there, center armrest. Auto lights just there, and also auto wipers. You can turn the lane departure off just there, top switch, and that dims the brightness of the dashboard, and that little switch there, if you like, the wheel, shall we call it a wheel, that just alters ever so slightly the aim of the headlights. Very useful if you've got a heavy load, a full load of people and luggage. It just makes the car sit up on the back a little bit, sit down the back should I say, so you may want to just adjust the headlights down so it doesn't dazzle oncoming traffic. It's remote locking, of course, goes without saying. And let me just show you the wing mirror. So I'm just going to semi-manually do it. So just press on that and you'll see it coming in. There you go. You don't need to do that because it will automatically do it once you've locked the car for you. So once you've locked the car, it will automatically fold the wing mirrors in. Amazingly good build, as I've alluded to at the start of the video. Matching Pirelli tyres. I think there are three services, and she's looking splendid. We have 2 keys book pack HPI clear. It's available from Cheshire Cars in Crewe in Cheshire, where you'll receive a professional and courteous welcome. Please do express your interest fairly quickly. It's just the one car, we don't have another one. It's just simply one car, and once it's been paid for, it's gone, and I don't know when we'll have another one. So there you go. I hope you're enjoying the bank holiday. That's Cheshire Cars 2017 Hyundai i20 5-door SE Premium Navigation, 13,000, just under 14,000 miles, 13,898 miles. Available now with our competitive car finance, fair part exchange, and our free UK delivery. Have a fantastic day. Thank you.